Hi, today I'll show you how to turn off shuffle on Spotify. The first thing that you want to make sure is that you have a monthly subscription to Spotify's premium streaming service. You can't remove shuffle on Spotify without subscribing to Spotify Premium. The next thing that you want to do is choose and play a song. Tap the Now Playing bar at the bottom of your screen, and the bar will pop up and become full screen, showing you what you are listening to. In the bottom left corner, just above the lyrics section, click the intersecting arrows. This is the shuffle button. When the arrows are green, the feature is turned on. When the arrows are white, it is turned off. That's it! Thank you for watching. I hope this video is helpful for you. Please give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, turn on the notification bell, and subscribe for more updates.